Hi, I'm Amy Sweet with RE/MAX Real Estate Professionals. I've been selling real estate since 2005, just before the big market adjustment. It's allowed me to have diligence and perseverance through the long haul to be one of the top real estate agents for buyers and sellers today.
Amy brought me on board in 2013 to manage our marketing, our social media portals, and our client appreciation program. Our team goal has always been to create clients for life, and that's why we created this dynamic partnership. Truly, we never want to see the ball dropped.
The listing and selling process was very easy and very smooth. We had a lot of interaction with the agents and Amy's team, and we always felt like we got answers to our questions whenever we needed them. We actually sold our house in 4 days, which is amazing.
We found Amy online. Her marketing strategy was awesome, and she sold our house very quickly. We bought our next house very quickly. Her negotiation skills were just great. She did a great job, and she was awesome to work with.
My team and I are dedicated to customer service and follow-up. With as complicated as transactions are these days, it's important that we take the stress away from our clients and help them work through the process. Whether you're a baby boomer and ready to slow things down,
Or millennial and just getting things started,
the Sweet team is here and ready to exceed your expectations.